It's important when refitting road wheels to make sure that the contact surfaces of both the wheel and the hub are clean and free from dirt and corrosion. Any rust, alloy corrosion or road dirt on the surface between the wheel and the hub can cause distortion of the applied torque values when refitting the wheel, which can lead to problems with wheel balancing or even break judder. This professional tool swiftly removes corrosion and dirt from the contact surfaces in seconds. The half-inch drive means you can use your existing impact wrench without the need to switch to another workshop tool. Light pressure is all that's required. The extremely tough non-woven abrasive material removes corrosion and dirt without excessive metal removal or gouging, leaving a clean, flat contact surface. Cleaning the inside face of the wheel is just as easy, just a few seconds work for a perfect surface. Now, if your wheel hub has studs, then we choose a different tool. This hub cleaning set is designed to fit snugly over the wheel studs and clean the contact surfaces right up to the edge of the studs. Again, the half-inch drive means that you can use the existing impact wrench. 2 sizes of abrasive disc are supplied. Choose according to wheel stud size. Go straight over the studs, just a second or two for each of them. Then clean the areas adjoining the studs. Another clean, flat contact surface. These tools offer a fast and efficient method of cleaning and stripping hub and wheel contact surfaces of corrosion and dirt, making the task of wheel removal and refitting far simpler and safer. Do the job right with laser tools.